Prepare to have your perception of action camera technology fundamentally redefined as we plunge into the deepest recesses of the most explosive leaks and expert analysis surrounding what is being heralded as the future of adventure filmmaking in 2025. Imagine a marvel of engineering, a rugged, pocket-sized content creation powerhouse designed not just to capture moments, but to weave cinematic tapestries, an ultimate vlogging tool codenamed the Ace Pro 3. Rumors, which are quickly solidifying into concrete expectations, suggest this device will break every existing benchmark, starting with its core imaging sensor. We're talking about a next-gen 1/1.3-inch 8K sensor, a colossal leap for the compact form factor, co-engineered with the legendary Leica camera AG. This formidable pairing promises an unprecedented fusion of high-resolution capability and the unmistakable Leica optical precision and depth, specifically through the implementation of a hypothetical Leica Summicron-grade lens element, or its Summilux-level counterpart in the latest murmurs, delivering crystal-sharp 8K footage with ultra-low distortion and rich, true-to-life color reproduction even in the most extreme low-light conditions. This isn't just an action cam, it's a professional-grade portable cinema camera. The sheer volume of detailed insider leaks now centers on the introduction of the industry's first dual AI imaging processor chip architecture, a revolutionary system designed for intelligent computational photography. This dual-brain setup is rumored to tackle complex tasks simultaneously: real-time image stabilization, advanced noise reduction, and dynamic AI tone mapping that adapts instantly to shifting environments, effectively guaranteeing smoother 4K 60 frames per second video and dramatically improved low-light performance through a dedicated PureVideo 2.0 mode. The potential impact on nighttime videography and capturing detail in challenging shadow and highlight regions is nearly unbeatable, making it the best action camera for travel and cinematic B-roll. Beyond the core specifications, the Ace Pro 3 is slated to offer full 8K 30 frames per second recording, the highly coveted 4K 60 frames per second active HDR for footage with lifelike contrast and vibrant saturation, and a deep integration of the Leica color science pipeline, which is essential for filmmakers seeking professional color grading flexibility. Audio fidelity, a frequent weak point in legacy action cameras, is addressed through a completely re-engineered windguard system featuring multi-microphone arrays and upgraded AI-driven audio algorithms. This sophisticated system is rumored to intelligently isolate human voice frequencies from harsh environmental noise, ensuring cinematic sound clarity and podcast-quality voiceovers regardless of the shooting location. The camera is also built for the rigors of the field, featuring an exceptionally rugged 2.5-inch flip touchscreen display, tougher and brighter than previous generations, and next-gen magnetic mounting hardware that ensures a fast, rock-solid connection to any action cam accessory. For the long-haul adventure creator and drone pilot, the most crucial feature may be the endurance battery mode, which promises an unprecedented 180 minutes of non-stop 4K shooting and introduces an advanced thermal management system to prevent overheating during extended high-resolution recording sessions, making it a true long-form documentary workhorse. Its physical resilience is equally impressive, with waterproofing guaranteed down to 39 feet straight out of the box, positioning it as a top contender for underwater videography and extreme sports capture. Furthermore, the Ace Pro 3 is rumored to be packed with user-centric smart features, including AI auto-editing, intuitive hands-free gesture controls, and an emergency 120-second pre-recording dash cam mode, a feature invaluable for motorsports or sudden, unmissable events. This constellation of features elevates the device from a mere camera to a smart storytelling partner. The critical mass of trusted tech. Analyst reports and detailed supply chain leaks confirms that this is not mere internet myth or wishful thinking. Development is not only underway but is likely in its final testing phase, the telltale sign before a major launch. The company's established, continuous annual product innovation cycle and its strategic, multi-year Leica partnership make a 2025 release of a groundbreaking model an absolute certainty. Although we have yet to see a final FCC regulatory listing or an official teaser trailer, the accumulating design patents and highly specific AI feature predictions make it abundantly clear. The Ace Pro 3 is the most highly anticipated action camera of 2025, poised to redefine the standard for compact 8K video production, stabilization technology, and outdoor video performance. Its rumored capability to deliver studio-quality visuals in a form factor you can easily slip into your jacket pocket will dramatically influence the market for professional travel vlogging gear and challenge the dominance of other established adventure recording brands. The key takeaway for any YouTube creator or digital filmmaker is simple. This camera promises to cut down post-production time significantly due to its superior in-camera image processing and the reliable AI-driven color profile. The dynamic range and clarity offered by the 1/1.3-inch sensor and the Leica optics means less time color correcting and more time creating, solidifying its place as the ultimate companion for mountain biking, deep-sea diving, and all manner of high-octane creative pursuits.